So, okay, discrepancies. Senator Soto, no?
Yes.
He was claiming that he was not a senator at the time of the delivery. Yes, because he was a candidate for the 2025 elections. And delivery was made in around April of 2025, no?
So, before the election?
Before the election. So, technically, he was not a senator. But, you know, as Filipinos, we retain
posibleng
the
campaign.
title when addressing a person. Like, sabi ko nga, si Ninoy Aquino nga, we still call him Senator Ninoy Aquino, patay na siya, di ba? How much more that before 2025, Senator na si Senator Soto, no? So we keep the title in out of respect, no? Si Congresswoman De Lima kasi, totoo, he received the monies while she was not yet a Congress member. But when the soldiers, former soldiers, prepared their affidavit, member na siya ng House eh. So they addressed her as Congresswoman De Lima.
So yun
Pero
po ba
kailan nangyari
Kailan
supposedly?
na-deliver?
Kwan ito eh, mga around the time when ICC investigators were here. So mga October of 2023,
Wasn't
up to-
she in detention hanggang...
wala na siya.
2020?
Wala, nakalabas
wala
na siya.
na.
2022 something eh.
Di ba 2023 siya na palabas?
Early 2023. October ito na dumating ang ICC eh.
Hindi, nakalabas siya, alam ko, late eh. Mga September. ganun. So, kalalabas lang yan?
Oh, then kasi she was actively involved when the ICC investigators came here. October 2023 and pabalik-balik sila ng 2024 up to 2025.
So, yung kay Kong Laila, saan dinala daw? Saan?
Sa Unit 8 Townhouse. Pag sa Polo Club Townhouse sa Forbes Park.
Sorry, wala. Medyo outside of my usual neighborhood.
Oo, makikita mo kasi yan. Kasi nakapunta na ako dyan eh. No?
Okay.
So,
Buti pa kayo.
from McKinley, that was, I was able to go there, talk with speaker and the others during the
Sa
Teves.
townhouse ito ni Speaker Martin, ni Congressman
Yes,
Martin Romualdez.
Pinag-uusapan yung about the Teves case noon. Kasi ako yung nag-represent sa mga victims eh. And I was the one who supplied most of the targets for search warrants, no?
Okay.
Ito yung assassination ni,
Oo, ni Degamo.
Ni Governor Degamo.
Yes, oo.
Okay. So yung balik kay Kong Laila. So
Ayun.
doon binigay sa kanya. So ano ba yung totoong kwento? Maleta ba? Paper bag? Kasi
Hindi,
yun yung lumabas eh.
several instances of paper bag. No? Hindi lang naman minsan. Kasi yung mga security, mga 5 meters away from the main door ng Unit 8 eh. Nandyan lang sila. No? So, pupunta si Saldico doon, sasabihin, oy, ibaba nyo yung ganito. Nagbababa sila doon. Paper bags. Pag alis ng mga kausap nila, yung dala-dala nilang paper bag, nakita bit-bit na eh ng mga nakakausap doon. At hindi lang minsan. Oh, and Attorney Barry ito, no? Marami pang
Distribution point
iba
pala ang Polo Club.
na nakinabang dito ng mga legislators or politicians. Hindi lang nila maalala yung pangalan. Kaya sabi nga sa akin, Sir, pwede ba tayo mag-attend minsan ng session ng House para baka may mamukhaan pa kami?
Hindi ba pwede naman tingnan yan sa
Actually,
listahan? Di ba may record dyan online?
yeah, totoo. Pwedeng gawin ko yun.
Parang
Pero
natawag doon, yung sa, pag yung tinitingnan mo yung, sinubukan mo identify yung mga tao sa police, anong tawag doon? Yung may mga picture na
Wanted.
yung mga makita,
Rogues Gallery.
Ayoko nang palawakin muna eh. No? So, I observe restraint on that aspect. No? Kung sino lang yung makilala nila,
Okay.
nag-limit lang ako doon.
So, pero paano na-involve si Senator Kiko Pangilinan? Ako galit na galit si Mrs. sa inyo.
Actually, natawa ako doon, Atty. Trixie, no? Kasi that shows his tendency to prejudge.
Okay,
It was
okay.
indolence, actually. You know, present yung picture niya doon,
Oo.
walang sinabi ang mga kwan. You review the video coverage. Walang sinabi yung mga sundalo eh. Kaya sabi ko doon sa nag-ooperate nag-ooperate ng mga presentation ng slides.
Anong PowerPoint?
Move forward. Kako, hindi yan.
Bakit? So, ibig
So,
sabihin,
hindi
it
siya
was just
kasama?
a picture of
It's
him
just a picture
and, with
of,
the employees of
yes.
Misibis Bay. Tama ba?
Oo, kasi ginamit nila yung eroplano. Pero may ibang pictures yan.
So, it was the plane that the picture was for? O basta nadamay lang yun
No,
doon?
it's a number of pictures depicting the use of helicopters and air assets ni Zaldico
Yes.
by the couple. Hindi lang naman minsan during the campaign. No?
So,
Okay.
Meron,
humiram
nakikita mo
sila
pa nga,
na oo.
2025 Kiko Pangilinan, nasuot ni Miss Sharon.
Oo.
So sabi ko, move forward. Kako hindi,
So yung allegation, hindi siya tumanggap siya ng pera.
Walang allegation.
walang sinabi.
na,
Wala
ano,
kaming sinabi. And then, natawa ako dahil nag-react silang dalawa na sinungaling saan? When you say sinungaling, dapat may sinabi.
Pero ano yung purpose nung in-include yung mga photos na yun? Kung hindi pala siya ina-accuse specifically of
At
accepting any...
mali yung present na picture May ibang pictures during the campaign.
Okay.
Oo.
So ano dapat yung picture na lumabas?
So wait,
Ay, yung paggamit nga nila ng helicopter and
Ng
the
air
airplane
assets ni
during the
Zaldico.
campaign, yes.
So-
And I hope na-declare yan sa SOSE. I hope, ha?
oh.